Finance Secretary Dominguez. To the left of the President. To his right will be the Executive Secretary, Secretary Majaldea.
Let's now listen in.
Kay Artman siguro tutugadi. There's a practice actually which I just knew that kung ako, the presidential takeoff or landing, may 30 minutes hiatus. So nobody takes off or land if the presidential plane is, wala namang presidential plane na. But I want this stop. We should not be treated different from the other suffering Filipino passengers. Makita na ito crowded. At dagdagan mo ng mga ganong 30-30, like before it's even an hour, before you can use the skies. Mahirap mayong ganon. It's not good. Siguro si Art would just advise the CAAP na any one of us, kung bigyan tayo ng priority to take off, salamat tayo, but we should also follow everyone's travel, pila tayo. Kasi yung ganon, for example, if I plan to fly at 5 o'clock, tapos yung mga aeroplano sa airports na walang night capability, and they would run out of daylight while waiting for the 30 minutes for the president to mamakansilar yung flight nila. So, and it is every other airport ma-delay. And that would, pagkatapos niyan, another crowded skies. Ako naman, not because of anything, pero ayaw ko magpa-importante na gano'n. We should treat ourselves just like any other Filipino traveling. Wala man tayong aeroplano, but I plan to take the ordinary commercial flights. But not now because everybody is offering for the use of their airplanes. Kala siguro nila, bibili ako. Kasi sabi ko yung lahat ng planes, I'm turning it over to the military. Pati yung mga assets ng yung Pangulo. Gawin na natin ospital yan or put it to good use rather than allow it to rust to death. Ayun lang. Ang second is I forgot. Mayroon ako kasing sabihin sa... Anyway, ano ba ang... I'd like Bong to... What are the urgent matters to be taken up?